How to remove spectacles permanently? The main problem with spectacles is that people wear them when they don't need them. In spectacles, accommodation of the eyes is not working, which means eyes cannot focus naturally at a far or at a close distance. Without spectacles, this function of the eyes start to work. A little, but it works. The first thing to do, you need to develop a habit to remove spectacles as soon as you don't need them. For example, if you need spectacles at the workplace, as soon as you go for a break, just take them off. Or as soon as you finish work, just remove them. As soon as you come out of the building, office, or from home, just remove your spectacles and let your eyes train focusing function and let them rest. Eyes get strained in the spectacles because they are blocked with eyeglasses. Eyes are fixed with no movement and a low blood flow. The eyes need some movement to pump blood flow and regenerate. You can set some limits on when at what time you usually need to wear spectacles and put them on your schedule. Otherwise, you will unconsciously forget. Wearing spectacles is just a bad habit of poor vision, which causes vision deterioration. And every year, people usually come and buy stronger diopters. I have had myopia for about 20 years, and I didn't wear spectacles, and vision was at the same level, and even was getting better when I was doing eye exercises. Last year, I found a way to get rid of myopia naturally, with relaxation and eye exercises. The first what I did, I started to listen to meditation for facial muscle relaxation. The video is on my channel. Because if you have strained facial muscles, you most probably will not be able to relax eye muscles. Everything in our body is interconnected. So just find the video meditation for facial muscle relaxation, lay down on a bed, close your eyes, and listen to this guided meditation to learn this amazing skill to relax your muscle of the face. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles, and get rid of myopia, astigmatism, or hyperopia. The online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below. Second, you can find on my channel myopia treatment exercises for light stretching of eye muscle to renew the ability of your eyes to focus. You need light stretching to get rid of eye muscle spasm. As soon as you will come out from a spasm of accommodation, your vision will improve. Third, it is a lot of types of relaxation technique to calm down your mind and to get rid of eye strain. Just check out my channel. After a month of relaxation training, you can start doing sweat-on eye exercises. This is a more powerful eye muscle stretching and it will speed up the myopia treatment process. But no more than 1 repetition per training, and without relaxation, eye exercises don't help. Relaxation is 70%, eye exercises are 30%.